on the phone and turn on the phone. Hey, turn on the phone. Hey, turn on the phone. Gambia, yeah. Turn on the light. Light up. Light up. Light up. Hey, Gambia, turn on the light, yes. Mr. Phil, light up the place, light up the place. Light up the place, light up the place. Gambia, light up. Light as up. The days goes by. Are you ready? Out comes the sun, shining on. Hey, Gambia, praise get me. Light up the road, light up, cloud place, light up, right your side is Gambia. Dreams of brighter days. Touch and know. Alright then, I see. Dreams are the things I see, yes. Right in front of me, Gambia. As I open my eyes, yes, I give thanks for life. Oh, wow, wow. I don't believe that the most I light it. Light it. As the days goes by, hey, Gambia sing, say, out comes shine. Hey, Gambia, yes, please get me high, so I can make Gambia, see you with it. Dreams of bright and highest grace we blaze. Oh, Gambia, dreams of brighter days. Hey, Gambia, say give it thanks, give it thanks, give it thanks. As the days goes by, we give it thanks. I got the murder every but we still a chat down. We hear it but now watching true face when we gather. Real soldiers keep standing. Now give up the fight, Gambia one. Sun will shine tomorrow. We shall see the and I will never let go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dreams of brighter days. Highest grades we blaze. Hey, Gambia, yes. Dreams of brighter days. Level it, we giving thanks, giving thanks, giving thanks. Level it. As I puff on my Indo and glance through my window, realize there's no turning back. Whoa, got to complete life journey, though things get contrary. Oh, got to make it to the top, Gambia, searching for many ways to survive. Working so hard, I know Jah will provide. Alright then, say I'm keeping my head high. Wave your hands up to the sky. High thunders. Highest grades we blaze. Hey, Gambia sing dreams of brighter days. Hey, level it. Giving thanks, giving thanks, giving thanks. Gambia, we love you so much. Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there, hold on there, Crabber. As I'm here with friends. Yes, I'm here with friends, you know what I mean? All the way from Jamaica. Basically, I'm saying nothing. And this is the Gambia, busy signal live in the Gambia. Yeah, man, I'm so honored to be here. It's been so long. 15 or 16 something years. I'm so happy to be here again representing for the Gambia once more. Gambia, Jamaica, one. One link, one love, one art. You know what I mean? And we represent the motherland of Africa. The smiling coast. We do the most. Right now we got some friends from Jamaica here. We got some friends here. And we represent. Yeah, man. And all the way from Jamaica, you know, we always bring musicians and different types of artists to represent because we're around the Gambia, the whole turf and the team, the whole conglomerate. Yeah, man. So at the moment, we are representing for the turf. Straight out of Kingston, Jamaica, we're representing for Jazeel from the turf. Yeah, man, Ronnie Reading make Jazeel be in Gambia for the first time. First time in Gambia.
Good night, Gambia. just see the grim singer of their life, you know it go. Sing ting.
Yeah.
Now with their life. Big up to the third president every time. Long live the third president. Guess what we tell them? We done with that life, now we are rejoice. Champagne by happy eyes. We are living this life, we don't have a choice. Chip got make them top be nice. Then we gonna have big one, we wanna vibe. And the yassa do not make it rise. When them a go run with them a go hide. And mark for the ride. Now we fucking up the scene. Them gyal a message and we leave our pants scene. Got to the streets from we up with teens. So we fresh, clean, but we money evergreen. Fuck a life we living, them pussy a dream. Gunshot we giving if them ever this the team. Have a coat full of steam, still a beam. Bet once you feel it clean, big whips like play free. A big chain and drip we are.
Yeah, let me know somebody say I got a ear. Alright, so going up, ripping up the stage, chilling in the shade, rapping with my babes. I got it made, come at me and run the set. I'm the management, I'm the one, grabber. Boom. All the real rude boy that know someone come from Gambia, maybe see one in a year or so. Walk and live, talk and walk. When me show me no miss like John Stark. When me walk fire spark, we left them with infrared, fire for it and a religion. We left them. Pull it back. Oh, there, don't pull it up, don't pull it up. Don't pull it up. DJ play. DJ song again, bad song. A Gambia this. Gambia love that song. Alright then. When me show me no miss like John Stark. When me walk fire spark, we left them with infrared, fire for it and a religion. We left them saga saga. That's why when this we never get chance. We talk in front of power preaching, not get chance to walk. Give them a chance to pray, we not get chance. Come still jump past them, sir. Cause we don't care who you bad. Just look on the gun, no matter how much time we like to do. And we don't care who you bad. Lovely. Gambia. Some children are not taking no talking about them. Let them walk for the good sky, lock for the good slip, pass back for the good see what's not lock for the good some boy, I get up for the good. Give the scope, no man when the good flex for the good, the flex for the good top what's them. We are so, know them this, them can't this, them Gambia. Tell them shit, them can't this, them. Pull up back. Make me DJ again. Grab it, that's our style. God is amazing. Pull up back. Yeah. All who know say. Yeah, man, from the love the most, let me see it, sir. Alright. It's only pain and suffering, and that makes some people brave. Millionaire, we will leave for money. Can't take his mother away, and it can't help. This ain't the worst story. Faith without words, no work. Nah, if you love the most, let me see what it is, sir. Gambia. My God is amazing to hear when we cry. No prayer never pray. Out of it and you will be right. My God is amazing here when we cry. No prayer never pray this face. Put your trust in all your emotions. People know. Some pray about money and get it and problems find them because them never sincere. Them never give thanks. Them never ask forgiveness for all of the wrongs. Alright then, nobody never give it no for me. For my God for me. I saw the whole of them speak. I know them saying this, sir. Gambia. My God is amazing here when we cry. Gambia, we love you. Prayer never pray. Out of it genuinely. Big Dog from Jamaica, first time in the Gambia. Yeah. Over 400 years them stolen, but what they are now. You hear me now? And them get to you just over today. Shed so much tears. Enough time and a people late for all days. Feel about me ways and I get a praise. I am Paracelsi, I take with you up. Them you just over today. Shed so much tears. Enough time and a people late for all days. Feel about me ways and I get a praise. You have a big somebody feel me crabber. Them get obvious.
So them woulda want change me out with tears. They go kill if it is Rasta come fi ears. Now when you're dedicated to all both is act like them brave. Corruption go down. Cause of the fire can anger feel a burn. Them argument a bust all the dummy. Now all them a listen, them can't hear the praise. I listen and say I am the yes man, suffer through the years. Shed so much tears. Enough time on a table late for all days.
Hold on,
the love of me with
Bravo. Play the next one, make Nanga DJ. This song was say clean as a rust. Yeah man, more hear that song there. Can't give me a love dancehall too. I respect all Rasta man. But you have some Rasta man when I want beard. You have some Rasta man with moldy and stink. You have some Rasta man not believe in a proper hygiene. Nanga can't talk to them. People for represent the proper hygiene. Redeem.
Look for me good. And the bubble is what take bubble to frozenness. So when the girls them look for Nanga come me clean as a rust. No bag of moldy cologne sweet as a rust. The turban tight, neat as a rust. I chop up jeans with Jordan man. But the real love me but become me real as a rust. Me nah nyam no meat what, please as a rust. Me a double boil, still as a rust. Me take me there, level it. Before me touch the road, me have to splash on. Have the princess, I wonder when me got on. Bag of jeans and down Louis Vuitton. Me no Japan, so me no show about town. Yeah, people inside them, me clear the skin. So me come out in on me theory. Level it up,
level it. Level it. Hold on there. The ladies, them know say on a tight, say yeah. Yeah. Busy, I'm so busy. I'm busy. Hey, Gambia, girl, them me busy. I'm so busy. Ladies, I'm very busy, shorty. Please, could you check me later? Till the gray, what can make you sing like Christina Aguilera? Back up the seat. Read him up. Hey, what's that? Yeah, man, hold on there. And this is Gambia. We are enjoying this. I'm loving it. I decided to spend my New Year's right here. Big up all the friends and family and fans all over the world. Big up Tinky Turf. Big up Wendy Turf. Yeah, man, big up Zion Promotion. And there's also a winner because Zion promised that someone is going to win. Some lucky winner out there is gonna win an iPhone 17. Yes, man. Someone say the name. I represent.
Now, the ticket number that has won the iPhone 17 is 1632.
1632.
1632 has won an iPhone 17. But that's not all.
1632 have won an iPhone 17. One, God them serious. Gambia we no nervous. Let me tell you more. Man we call a Eskimo. No boy can't this with Gambia. Smiling Coast. We don't laugh over there. So one throat call it take to make some boy wipe off a hurt and you can't this Gambia world. See say where we go. God them serious. Gambia we no nervous, oh yes, I'm going to tell them. I see the Gambia call a Eskimo, yes, tell her this. No boy can go round we. Hey Gambia, make them know. Make some boy wipe off a hurt and jack down that. You can't this Smiling Coast, no matter how you want me, don't care about that. Can't talk in a mind. So you run place, you run around that, yeah. Some other action back. Gambia sing this Lord, enough of them. Enough of them. Oh, yeah, enough of them stairs, oh, yeah, chat them, a chat, no action, came back. Enough of them stairs, and we say enough of them. Bully, enough of them stairs, and we say chat them, a chat, me no pay that, no mind, hear that, boy. Empty Marilla make nice, and them, and nobody, them, and nobody. Last step to Gambia, me say all of the dogs, them a real mad smaddy, yes. Have a one piece of metal and a post, but them no bad man from nowhere. You must know, love your life, eh? Gambia, sing this Lord. No for them. And for them stairs, oh yeah, no for them stairs, oh. And we say chat them a chat, no action them back. No for them stairs, oh. And we say no for them stairs, oh. And we say no for them stairs, oh. And we say chat them a chat. Hold on, you know. Anybody who is having a birthday tonight, or if you have a birthday from last year, but you're still here this year waiting for your birthday to come again, big up yourself. If you're having a birthday in January, big up yourself. February, big up yourself. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November. You know what I mean? December, no matter where, and no matter what. Whether you're Aquarius, Pisces, Virgo, Scorpio, Libra, Capricorn. My birthday is coming up soon. My birthday is the 24th of this month. Roman Virgo birthday is the 24th of this month. So we're going to be celebrating somewhere in the world. So we have to big up everybody who have a birthday. While you sit there, you have a birthday. So big up yourself, ready them up. Yes, 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 yes. Life, life. Celebrate life, yo, Gambia. Wake up, wake up. One more year pan them, oh yes. One more year pan celebrate. Oh, one more year pan. Yo, Gambia, smiling close. We are. Happy birthday, I'm a friend. Oh, celebrate life. Happy New Year, Gambia. Celebrate. One more year pan them. One more year pan them. Happy New Year pan them. Happy New Year pan Gambia. One birthday, I'm a friend. One more year pan them. Yard man, one whole of five. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it up. Celebrate. Happy birthday, I'm a friend. Oh yes. One more year pan. Oh, watch up. More life to you coming there till the end. Real for me and opening. Big birthday. Wash. If I ever from the ground liquor. Give thanks for my life. Oh, gosh, watching them. We dip on the slush. Drink and smoke so we frost. Turn up with sound box. Girl, them a bubble to the max. Everything well cool, alright. Send out the location. They are passport. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Oi, one more year. One whole of five. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Let me tell you. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Once more. One more year, man. Yes, yes. More life to you coming there till the end. Read from me, I don't pretend.